We all hear technologists. There's a lot of technology people don't understand it. 50 Cent was also a technologist too. Now, as I showed you, you see him supporting toys, right? He also created a hardware company called SMS Audio. SMS Audio would do partnerships with Marvel. So those are some of his products. He would do partnerships with Reebok again on a sports-inspired line. He would do partnerships with Intel to integrate biometrics into wearables and doing heart rate monitoring and apps. I think he came a little bit early to the party, but here's something that us as entrepreneurs always got to think about. Intellectual property, product design, hardware is hard, right? So his initial partner with hardware did not go well, and he had bad representation. He wound up winning a malpractice lawsuit against his attorneys who did not clarify the IP issues. Because of the IP issues was why he had to file bankruptcy, because he got a judgment against him for using designs that he thought he paid for, right? So as developers, designers, IP, who's the IP? Who's on the team? Who's the partner? You have a bad deal with somebody, what happens, right? How do you separate it? What can you keep? Those questions are integral, because this could have been a unicorn. He had incredible leverage. I mean, you have Intel, Marvel, Disney. He was even the exclusive provider of headphones for Disney parks and resorts. And then you have all these Marvel. Imagine if he was able to do the Avengers movie, right? Endgame. And here is 50 doing the headphones for Endgame, right? Or Black Panther, when that came out. Or Captain Marvel. And the women-inspired line. He had visions, but IP issues can doom us as entrepreneurs. And that's a lesson to learn. So in technology, it's different than other industries. You can watch it, but in our fields, IP and understanding the legalities and dynamics. So that was a lesson to learn right there.